Hello everyone, we are at Istanbul Sabiha Gökçen Airport with Nurnogan.
Hi.
And
Hi.
we are gonna take a flight to Antalya. It takes about, I think, 1 hour, to get there.
Around.
So when we get there, we are gonna rent a car for like 2 days and then drive to Isparta. As I told you before on the beginning of the video, then Isparta is like land of the roses, which
City
is
of flowers. Also.
yeah, it's the capital of Rose. Rose capital city in Turkey. So we are going to show. We are going to show them like
Harvest of the rose,
Harvest
and
of
the
rose.
morning very early, 5 o'clock we get up.
Early morning,
and we
yeah.
go to meet some farmers who are working there, and then they will show us how they make distillation there.
Yeah.
We will meet them.
Also, we are gonna visit one of the lake, really beautiful lake in Sparta called Aurgallery Lake. Well, we are excited, right? And
let's go.
so let's see what's waiting for us there, and see you in Antalya.
Dolaplarındaki numaraları takip edelim. ABC
Sağ olun.
sağımızda, DF solumuzda kalacak.
Kaç dedin?
38C
38.
BC. Yeah, we just arrived in Antalya Airport, and now we are waiting for our car rental. And see you soon.
İnşallah.
We are at village called Güneykent. It's one of the most beautiful village near Sparta. So we are going to discover this village. There are really nice people around. They're very hospitality, very kind. So we are going to show you village life, and also how they make rose oil and how they harvested rose and everything. So let's discover. Roses everywhere, like so many millions of roses. So around here I see a lot of like farmers workers. They are like collected roses from the gardens like this, and they're working like really hard. And also it's not just roses actually here, like apple, cherry, and so many like fruits which is they grow here. It's very popular. So
Gönlüm bir sevdanın peşine düşmüş. Aklı yok, fikri yok, deli misali.
Baba.
Gönlüm bir sevdanın peşine düşmüş. Aklı yok, fikri yok, deli misali. Benliğim sen hayat serine düşmüş. Bir varmış, bir yokmuş, oldum sonunda. Saçların çileden ağır vermiş, mutluluk güneşim kararı vermiş. Baktım da ömrümün hazanı gelmiş. Baktım da ömrümün hazanı gelmiş. O yana bu yana gitmekten bıktım.
Yere değsin çuval yana korkma.
Yok, değil mi? Aynen.
Mr. Nurdogan, what do you think about this?
It's grateful.
Yes.
So happy to be here.
Yes.
This gentleman
What's
is,
Hello.
this gentleman helps me. This family.
Yeah, they're all family, right?
Family. Yes, they are doing.
They are
very
doing
good job there.
this job like since
Yes,
30 years,
yes,
they say.
They pick up rose damask,
Yeah.
rose, and then they do a lot of work. Since morning 5 o'clock they are working.
Yeah.
They get up actually 4 o'clock.
4
until,
o'clock
yeah,
in the
they had a
morning, yeah.
little, eating, and after that they came here. Normally they finish around 11 o'clock, 12 o'clock. It's up to the people. It's up to the season also that. But they will work just 1 month, and then they are waiting for this. It's very important for them.
Bizim bu Isparta'nın gülü
Aha.
dünyanın %65 kozmetik ürünlerini karşılıyor.
%65.
Evet.
Yani bu çok ciddi bir rakam değil mi?
Evet.
Bayağı büyük bir rakam. Ve aslında
Şimdi-
bunu çok... Yusuf, sana şöyle bir soru sormak istiyorum. Yani gül hasatı bildiğim kadarıyla sabah 5'te başlıyor değil mi? 10'a kadar topluyorsunuz. Öğleden sonra niye toplamıyorsunuz?
Öğleden sonra abi yaz aylarına girdiğimiz için hava sıcaklıkları nedeniyle öğleden sonra bayağı bir sıcak yoğunluğu oluyor.
Evet. Bye bye Isparta.
Gül topla. Gül.
Yakaladım.
Yaprak da alacağız mı? Yaprak alalım birazcık saralım akşama.
Ben iyiyim. Vallahi ben senin için. 1, 2, 3. İyi oldu. Bayağı oldu.
Çok güzelmiş gibi kokuyor.
Ama beyazlık da iyi oldu.
İyi oldu, ıslandık daha değil.
Çocuklar da muazzam.
Evet. Onun arkasından müzik ekleyeceğim. Tam 2 saat. There is a beautiful valley down there. I really love it very much. It's so beautiful. Now we are heading up to National Park on the way, and then also I like to show you Eğirdir Lake. So this place is unbelievable. It's like too much oxygen. I mean, relaxing. It's so nice. So you should come, Isparta, for sure. Roses everywhere, like so many millions of roses.
Photoshoplarsın biraz gene yedirirsin ne olacak.
Yeah, Eğirdir Lake just behind me. It's fantastic view from here. I just we came by car. Where is Mr. Nurdogan?
Nurdogan is
Oh,
here.
Nurdogan is here.
Here. Look at the beauty.
Nurdogan,
The wine.
where did you bring us, man? This is great.
No one knows.
This is a very secret place.
No one knows. Follow.
Wow, amazing, man.
Don't go to Switzerland.
Seriously, I have to say, like, this is a totally secret place. I mean, usually not many people know about it here. Everyone is just going down there, but to come here, it's very difficult. We passed really somewhere secret, huh?
Man, we asked 100 men. Even in Google Maps you cannot find.
Thank you very much, man.
You are welcome.
There's a village nearby. It's really beautiful. It's so quiet. I mean, sound of wind, and you hear sound of birds, and like beautiful view with mountains. Nurdogan, how are you? What are you doing?
I am so fine. Here is my best tea. Here is my best cookies. Look at the backside. You see how the sunset. I was thinking to see the sunshine, sunset. You see.
So this is beautiful sunset time.
Yes.
For how long you wait here for this view?
4 hours. 4 hours. I came from Istanbul just for this. For this.
Yes.